Good morning, student. Can we move the topic CAD system architecture? Have three base structures: database CAD model, operating system, user interface. Okay, initially database CAD model, but operating system involving application software, graphics utility, device drives, and user interface at the input and output devices. What is important parameter used in CAD system? Working data, geometric, drawing, standards, library data, component, model, manufacturing. CAD system architecture is data, database, working data, component models, geometry, drawing, associated data, standards, manufacturing, library data. Functions, model definition, manipulation, picture generation, utilities, database management, application. It gives flow the input and output uses. CAD system basic architecture. The CAD system architecture was initially a design workstation. The design workstation involving graphical terminal and input device, and then after to moving the CPU, central processing unit. Central processing one of the secondary storage device and output device. In both of the working involved with them. CAD system. CAD system is input, output, and interpreter of CPU. What is the input? Input devices: alphanumeric keyboard, next customer control device, direct in keys, mouse, trackball, light pen, digitalizer, scanner is input devices, and output devices is graphic terminals, VDU, secondary storage, hard copy device. Graphical terminals: the raster scan display, directed beam refresh, or random scan display, direct view storage tube, flat panel displays. Okay, the secondary storage is 3.5 floppy, 1.4 by 2.88 MB, hard disk 100 GB, zip drives 100 MB, compact disk 675 megapascal, DVD, magnetic tape, thumb drives, hard copy devices, dot matrix printer, laser printer, electrostatic printer, inkjet printer by plotter, pen plotter is drum type, flatbed type. Next one of the computer graphics. Computer graphics is the discipline of generating images with the aid of computer. The graphic primitive or elements. Graphic primitive and element is rectangular, circle, another one transformation, another one displaying control and windowing. Next, segmenting and editing functions, user input functions, geometric transformation. With the help of computer graphics, the alteration can be easily done to the drawing. The graphic image has database created for it. This database can be modified by mathematical operation or called transformation. Transformation make use of the data stored in the frame buffer. Modification of this data results in modification in display. Translation. Translation, it involves the moving an element from one location to another. Rotation, used to create entities arranged in circular array, circular pattern. Scaling, it alters the size of an object. Reflection, used to minor object. Shear, the transformation caused the image to stand. Next point. Representation of point. What is meant by representation of point? That is the denoted on x direction, y direction, and z direction. The moving point on notification in the diagram. Okay, point P is equal to x comma y. The line P1, P2 matrix form, it is equal to x1, y1, x2, y2. This is a two type: Cartesian coordinate system, polar coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate system is the indicating in the point value is moving in horizontal position. This is called Cartesian coordinates. But polar coordinates is angle position, depend on angle position, x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Cartesian coordination. This is the polar coordination. Next one, translation. Geometric transformation. When every entity of a geometric model remains parallel to its initial position, the transformation is called a translation. The translation is denoted by at the one of diagram or one of the geometric shape moving in another size at the same position and same quantity. To translate a point by a distance tx in x direction and ty in